Nobody ever told you this, but the eyeliner you have been using for the last 30 years might be the exact reason your eyes look tired before you even leave the house. Not your age. Not your eye shape. Not even how many hours of sleep you got last night. Your eyeliner. There are 7 specific habits that almost every woman over 60 is still doing every single morning without knowing it, and each one is quietly pulling your eyes down instead of lifting them up. The wild part is that these habits were never your fault. They were taught to you decades ago by beauty counters and magazines that had no idea what your eyes would look like today. Stick around because mistake number 5 is the one that changes everything the second you hear it, and mistake number 7 is the one almost nobody talks about, yet it might be doing the most damage of them all. By the end of this video you will look at your eyeliner pencil completely differently. Hey gorgeous, welcome back to Elegance at Any Age. If you have been here before, thank you for showing up again, it really does mean a lot. And if this is your first time here, welcome, you picked a good day to stop by. This is the channel where we talk about looking put together, confident, and beautiful after 60 without spending a fortune or chasing trends that were never made for us. Today it is all about eyeliner. Not a new product. Not a new brand. Just 7 small shifts in the way you apply what you probably already own. Before we jump in, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button so you do not miss what we share next week. And if eyeliner has ever felt like a daily battle you cannot quite win, tap that like button right now. It tells me this is exactly the kind of video you want more of. Alright, let's get into it. The one idea that ties everything together. Before we go through the 7 mistakes, I want to give you one simple picture to hold in your mind, because once you understand this, every single mistake and every single fix will click instantly. Picture a tiny arrow that starts at the outer corner of your eye and points slightly up and out, toward your temple. That arrow is your best friend. Anything you do with eyeliner that follows that upward arrow makes your eyes look lifted, awake, and youthful. Anything that pulls in the opposite direction, down and in, drags your whole eye area downward, and that is where the droopy, heavy, tired look comes from. Keep that little arrow in mind. Every mistake today breaks it. Every fix restores it. Mistake number 1. The first habit is lining your entire lower waterline with a dark pencil. Black, brown, navy, it does not matter, the color is not the problem, the placement is. That thick dark line across the bottom of your eye creates a heavy horizontal band that visually drags the eye down and makes it look smaller and more closed in. And here is the part nobody explains: as skin around the eyes naturally softens with age, that dark line only draws more attention to it. The fix takes 10 seconds. Either skip the lower waterline completely, or swap that dark pencil for a soft nude or flesh-toned one instead. A nude liner tricks the eye into looking bigger, brighter, and wider awake almost instantly. Try it tomorrow and watch what happens. Mistake number 2. Next up, running your eyeliner all the way into the inner corner of your eye, top and bottom. This fully encloses the eye, and an enclosed eye always reads smaller and heavier than an open one. The fix is to start your upper liner from the middle of your lash line instead of the inner corner, then pull outward toward the temple. This opens up the inner eye, brightens the whole face, and still gives you all the definition you actually need along the lash line. Mistake number 3. This one breaks our little arrow the most directly. It is pulling the outer corner of your liner straight across, or worse, letting it dip downward at the end. Think about it this way: that tiny downward flick is basically drawing an arrow pointing at the floor, right at the exact spot where you need it pointing up. The fix is a small upward flick at the outer corner, just 1 or 2 millimeters is enough. No dramatic cat eye required. Practice it on the back of your hand a few times until it feels natural, then bring it to your lash line. Mistake number 4. Using eyeliner that is too thick. A heavy line might have looked bold and glamorous at 30, but on mature eyes it eats up the lid space between your lashes and your brow, and that space has usually gotten a little smaller over time. The fix: use the thinnest line you possibly can, especially on the upper lash line. A sharpened pencil or a fine-tipped liner with a light hand will always look more lifted and more flattering than a thick, heavy stripe of color. Mistake number 5. Here is the one I promised would make everything click. Black eyeliner is a bold, high-contrast tool, and on younger, firmer skin that contrast reads as dramatic. On mature skin, that same harsh black often reads as heavy instead of glamorous, because it draws attention to the softness of the skin around the eye rather than to the eye itself. The fix: swap black for a warm chocolate brown, a soft charcoal, or a deep taupe for your everyday look. You get the exact same definition with a softer edge that works with your face instead of against it. Save true black for date nights and special occasions when you want extra drama. Quick pause, because I actually want to hear from you. Which of these 5 have you been doing without realizing it? Type the number in the comments right now. I read every single one and it genuinely shapes what we make next. And if you know a friend who has been fighting with her eyeliner for years, send her this video. It might change her mirror moment tomorrow morning. If you have not subscribed yet, now is a great time. Just tap that button. It is free and it means you never miss what we share next. Okay, let's finish strong with the last 2, because these 2 tie the whole thing together. Mistake number 6. Some women swing so far away from heavy liner that they skip the upper lash line completely. And while going lighter is the right instinct, skipping it entirely leaves the eye looking pale and undefined, which oddly enough makes it look smaller too. The fix is a technique called tight lining. Instead of drawing a full line, gently press tiny dots of soft brown or charcoal between your upper lashes rather than on top of them. This fills in the lash line invisibly, making lashes look fuller without a single visible stroke of liner. Mistake number 7. And here we are, the most common mistake of all, and the one causing the most damage. Not blending your liner. A hard, sharp line sitting untouched on the lid is one of the most aging things you can do in your entire routine, and yet almost nobody blends. Skin around the eyes has more texture as we get older, and a crisp hard line sits right on top of that texture, drawing attention to it instead of softening it. The fix: grab a small smudge brush, a cotton swab, or even your fingertip, and gently soften the edge of your liner the moment you apply it. You are not erasing it, you are simply letting it melt into the skin instead of sitting on top like a hard stripe. This one habit alone can transform your entire look from dated to soft and beautifully defined. Bringing it all together. 7 mistakes, 7 simple fixes, 1 little arrow tying it all together. Nude on the lower line. Start your liner from the middle. Flick up, never down. Keep it thin. Choose brown or charcoal over black for daytime. Tightline your upper lashes. And always, always blend. None of this requires new products or professional training. It just requires looking at a decades-old habit with fresh eyes, literally, and making a few small adjustments. Closing. Your eyes have always been one of the most expressive parts of your whole face, and they deserve a technique that lifts them instead of working against them. Tomorrow morning, try just one of these fixes. Just one. I think you are going to be surprised by how much of a difference one small change makes. If this helped you today, give it a thumbs up before you go, and drop a comment telling me which mistake surprised you the most. If you are not subscribed yet, join us. New videos come out every week made just for you. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. You are elegant, you are timeless, and I will see you in the next one.